I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to disable all message conversation backgrounds on an iPhone or iPad. And to be clear, this option will only be available if you're using iOS 26 or newer on your Apple device. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down to the bottom of this screen and then tap Apps. A list of all of the apps installed on your Apple device is displayed. Step 2. Scroll down this list and then tap Messages. Step 3. Navigate down this menu and then tap to toggle off Conversation Backgrounds. You'll no longer see conversation backgrounds if they are applied to any of your chats in the Messages app on your iPhone or iPad. You can toggle this option back on at any time to make them visible again. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.